What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open your LLC if you live in Arizona. So opening your LLC and getting your business started, one of the best things that you can personally do, starting a business. Like, there are the highs and lows when starting a business. I've always worked for myself, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm my own boss. I work with the hours I want to work, and the more hard work I put in, the more reward I see out of it. So that's what I love about working for myself, and I really hope you start your own business if you're watching this video. Do not procrastinate. Get started like today if you can, and let's get this thing going. So first thing I want to mention also is after you get your LLC established, make sure that you renew it every year. So in the beginning of the year, you have about like 3 to 4 months to renew it. So just make sure you renew it and don't forget. You have a long time frame, like 3 to 4 months. So odds are you probably won't forget. And if you do forget, you have to pay a late filing fee, which sucks. So try not to forget. Second thing, after you open your LLC, is that you're gonna get your EIN number. The EIN number is a 9-digit number that you get from the IRS. And don't worry, like in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's real fast. So you're gonna get a 9-digit number. And with this number, people like the banks or the credit card companies are gonna ask for this number. I like to keep that number always on my phone or like on Google Drive or something like that. That way it's always handy whenever I need it. Let's say if I'm opening up a business bank account, a business credit card, I have that number always like on my phone and stuff. So let's get started with the LLC. If you want to follow along, I'll have the links of what I use in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments, so you can just click that. Follow along, don't procrastinate, get it done today. Let's get started. So right here, I have Taylor Brands. Highly recommend this business. I mean, this is one of the best ways to open up your LLC. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. It's how I've gotten my business going, and I always use Taylor Brands for all of my stuff. So we're gonna go here to Arizona. We're gonna click Arizona and click Get Started. So once you're here, you're gonna want a business name already in mind. For me, I'm gonna put Midtown Power Seller. Let's say this is the business that I want to create. You don't need to type in LLC because it's gonna have it there for you. We're gonna check if it's available, and yes, it's available. We're gonna click next here, and now they're gonna ask you a few basic questions, and we're gonna just click next and go along with it. They're gonna ask you, what stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm going to be taking the first few steps. Click next. When are you planning on launching your business? I'm going to put in a few weeks. Click next here. Then what industry are you in? So there are a ton of industries to choose from. You can click anything here, any letter, and you can see a bunch of industries. So for me, I'm related to e-commerce. We're selling products on Amazon. So that is related to physical goods as well. You can also put services, depends on what you're using. Click next here. And do I plan on hiring employees in the upcoming years? For me, it's always just me working by myself. So I'm gonna click no here. If you have business partners or employees, you can click yes. If you're not sure, you can also click not sure. We're gonna click next here, and then you're gonna put your zip code right here. And then what customers are you going to be doing? So online, storefront, or on the go. For me, it's online. I'm going to click next here, and then what are you planning to do for your business today? So we're going to be doing the LLC as well as the EIN number as well. We're going to click next here, and then they're going to also ask, what have you already done for your business? So for us, we have not done any of this, so we're going to skip this, and they're going to also ask, how did you discover Taylor Brands? So we're just gonna put YouTube because you're watching this video, might as well put YouTube, right? Click next here, and then pretty much you're gonna ask if you want a free business plan. So let's click next here and say yes. Now you're just gonna put your personal info here, right? I'm gonna fill this in real quick. Boom. Okay. Boom, we're all set and done. We'll click next here. And now Taylor Brands could get the EIN number for you for $99, or you can also get it yourself. I highly recommend you get Taylor Brands to do it for you. If you want to save some money, you can do it yourself, right? And once you get your LLC done, when I show you in this video, then you will go to the IRS website and apply for the EIN number. And you can usually get it the same day. It's not that hard of a process. Let's say you're trying to save some money, you can do it yourself. But I personally just go a little bit extra and pay a little bit extra just to get it done. But like I said, you can get it yourself. You would have to do it during the weekdays. I think sometimes the weekends, their website, their hours don't work. So do it during the week, and yeah, you can get it yourself as well. But for this video, I'm gonna tell Taylor Brands to do it for us, because let's say we're ready to go and we wanna get this business up and going. We're gonna click next here. And now they're gonna ask, do you want Taylor Brands to be your registered agent? And for me, I personally would always recommend you to be your own registered agent if you live in Arizona. For me, I am always my own registered agent. The only time you're not your own registered agent is if you don't live in that state that you're filing an LLC for. So let's say I live in Florida and I want to create an LLC in Arizona, then I would have a registered agent. People might do this for tax benefits, or like CPA might recommend it. Like 95% of the people would be their own registered agent. So we're gonna click here. I will appoint a different registered agent, which is actually gonna be yourself. We're gonna click next here. They're gonna ask you, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now they're gonna also ask you, do you want us to pretty much renew your LLC every year for $199, automatically renew it? Like I said earlier in this video, you can renew it yourself. There is a long time frame for you to renew it. You have a couple of months, so I'll handle it myself. If you think you might forget for any means or anything like that, you can also click this one and they can renew it for you. So we'll handle it ourselves for this example here. Now they're gonna ask, do you want professional image branding toolkit? No, thank you. This is something that I recommend you to do though. Right here, expedited filing time. So you can get your LLC done in 2 business days, or you can wait 2 weeks, 14 days and get your LLC for free. So if you're really eager and ready to get your LLC done, I'd pay a little bit extra, $49. That way you can get your LLC done in 2 days and you get your business bank account, business credit card, start making money. But let's say you have a lot of stuff on your plate, then you can wait the 2 weeks. All depends on your situation, right? So let's click here, the expedited filing time, pay a little bit extra, but that way we can start making money right away. Operating agreement, you don't need this. I really don't recommend it. And now they're gonna ask, look like a pro, store receipts, keep your LLC organized. I don't think you need this as well. You can click next, skip this. Do you need bookkeeping and invoicing? No, thank you. And now they're gonna also ask if you want to get notified about your business. I personally do, so I'm gonna click get notified. I'm gonna click next here. And now you have 3 packages to choose from. But remember what we mentioned earlier in this video. We got the expedited filing as well as the EIN number. So we paid a little bit extra, but you're gonna actually save money. Check this out. So if you go with the light program here, I also wanna mention, you always have to pay the state filing fee for Arizona. Arizona's state filing fee is $85 to open up an LLC in Arizona. We're gonna click next here, select. And starting your LLC in Arizona and opening it up is one of the best things that you can do. So you can see here that Arizona filing fee is $85. You have an expedited filing of $49. So the total due today is $134. You can see here, you're also getting the EIN number. You just click continue payment, pay with your card, and you're all set and done. And that's how you open up your LLC in Arizona. If you want to start your business in Arizona and get started, highly recommend you to do so. Do not procrastinate. Like, take that initiative and be your own boss. Like, it's one of the best things that you can do. Like, I wouldn't be here today if I worked for somebody. So take that initiative, be your own boss, and make that money. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit that like button if you're still watching, subscribe. It means a lot to me. Like, it means a lot. So if you like this video and subscribe, it'd mean the world to me. I mean, this channel is pretty new, so I'd appreciate it. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, comments down below. See you guys on the next one. Peace.